Lucky Lorky has been back, all set now, ready to race. Race number 7. The favorite, Small Town Lady, Vermont. For third choice, Lucky Lorky. Away they go. Vermont down on the inside, rushing up Lady King, Moonraker. Lucky Lorky, Small Town Lady, fast forward. Moonraker by a length and a half, followed by Vermont by Darrell. Lady King racing in third alongside, running forward by about 2 lengths, fast forward. A Small Town Lady, second last. Lucky Lorky is running at the tail of the field, back to the front runner. Vermont, Moonraker from the outside. Moonraker, Foxy's Nose from the outside. Vermont down on the inside. Lady King racing in third, running fourth, fast forward. Small Town Lady. And rounding the far turn, Moonraker by half a length. Vermont is running by the Lady King, fast forward. Small Town Lady remains in fifth by about 2 lengths. Lucky Lorky as they race the final corner. Vermont by half a length. Lady King on the outside. Moonraker fast forward. Small Town Lady, but Vermont by a length and a half. Lady King fast forward on the outside. Vermont, and nearing the finish line, Vermont from the trainer of Mr. Dong Velasquez. Second, fast forward, Lucky Lorky, Lady King, Small Town Lady, Moon.